The Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services has ended its contract with Tulsa-based Family and Children's Services. I'm Erin Christie. Glad you're joining me tonight. 2 News Oklahoma's Emma Birch listened to a child psychologist who used one of the services for her students, but now doesn't know where to turn.
Kimberly Harper has been a child school psychologist for over 30 years. Her favorite part of the job? Building relationships with students and gaining their trust in times of crisis.
We're here to provide services to support academic learning.
But when emotions become a little too overwhelming for some, Harper relies on Tulsa's Family and Children's Services COPES program. They're an emergency response team for mental health counselors to come to the school.
We're here to support our students, but in moments of crisis, COPES is essential.
The COPES program and Crisis Care Center may soon face challenges. The Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse has cut over $2.5 million in funding to their programs, claiming they're too similar and more space is needed in the state budget.
So what we're really going to have to examine is our budget for this next year. We may have to keep it flatter than we wanted, and it's not impossible that there could be some effect on our services and access.
I spoke with Adam Andreasen. He shared that 650 calls were diverted to COPES instead of the first responders last year. He warns cuts could add more pressure on law enforcement and cost the state more in the long run.
One of my, of course, disappointments here is the fear that funding cuts can be very short-sighted if they cut funding now, but as a result are going to cost you future outcomes that will save lives and money.
Harper says COPES has been an essential resource for families, but could delay help when needed most.
Extremely concerned. We have a lack of services as it is, so to start removing services or to remove funding of these essential services.
In Tulsa, I'm Emma Birch, 2 News Oklahoma.